Welcome to Easy English Conversations, where you can listen, practice, and feel more confident speaking English. Hi, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Nikki.
And I'm Dan. It's so great to be here with you today.
Today, we have a topic that I think many people can relate to. We are going to talk about small talk.
Ah, yes, small talk. Those short, simple conversations we have with people we don't know very well.
Exactly. At the store, at a bus stop, or with a coworker you don't know well. And our big question today is, why is small talk so hard?
That's a fantastic question, Nikki, because it really can feel difficult, can't it?
It really does. I think almost everyone feels that way sometimes, even native speakers. So let's talk about it. Maybe we should start with the basics. What is small talk, really?
Well, it's polite conversation about everyday topics, things that are not too personal or serious.
Right, so we talk about the weather a lot.
The weather's a classic, or we talk about our weekend.
Like, did you have a nice weekend? Yes, it was good. A little rainy, though.
Exactly that. Or maybe in a coffee shop, you might say, "Oh, that smells delicious." It's simple.
Very simple things. The main goal isn't to have a big, deep conversation. The goal is just to be friendly.
Right, to connect for just a moment. It's about showing people that you are open and friendly. But that first step can be scary.
It can. I think one of the biggest reasons it's so hard is the fear of silence.
Oh, definitely. That awkward pause. When you say something, they reply, and then nothing. No one knows what to say next.
You ask a question like, is it busy today? They say yes or no, and then just silence.
It feels very uncomfortable. Your brain just starts screaming, "Say something, anything."
Exactly. So you feel all this pressure to say something smart or funny or very interesting.
Right, like you have to perform for them. But the truth is, you really don't. A simple comment is totally fine.
That's so true. But I think for English learners, it's even harder. There are extra challenges, extra things to worry about.
Oh, for sure. You're not just worried about what to say, you're also thinking about the words and the grammar.
Am I saying this correctly? Is this the right word to use? All those questions are running through your mind.
Exactly. And then there's the accent. You might worry if the other person can understand you clearly.
That's a very big fear. And also, there's the fear of not understanding them.
Yeah, what if they speak too fast, or they use a slang or an idiom you don't know?
It can make you feel so nervous inside. So you might decide it's just easier to not say anything at all.
I completely understand that feeling. It feels safer to just be quiet and not take the risk.
It does. But when we do that, we miss a chance to connect. And we miss a very important chance to practice our English.
That is so true. Every small conversation is a learning opportunity.
Speaking of awkward moments, Dan, do you have any funny small talk stories? A time when it went completely wrong for you?
Oh, I have a perfect one. I was in line at a grocery store a few years ago, and this man in front of me had this tiny, adorable, fluffy dog sitting in his shopping cart.
Aw, I love that.
So I wanted to say something nice about it, a simple compliment. I planned to say, "Your dog is so cute." It's an easy sentence, right?
Very easy.
But for some reason, I got nervous. My mind just went totally blank, and what actually came out of my mouth was, "That's a big bread." He was also holding a loaf of bread.
Oh no, Dan.
It was terrible. He just looked at me, then he looked down at his bread, and he said very seriously, "It's a normal size."
Oh, that is so awkward and so funny.
It was. We just stood there in complete silence after that. I wanted the floor to just open up and swallow me whole.
I can only imagine, but it happens to all of us. Our brains they stop working sometimes.
They really do, but looking back on it now, it's a funny story. It's a good reminder that it's okay to make silly mistakes.
It's more than okay. It's human. We all do it. I think your story shows something really important. Even when a conversation is awkward, it's usually not a big deal. The man probably forgot about it in 5 minutes.
That's probably true. We worry about our own mistakes so much more than other people do.
Exactly. So, how can we make small talk easier for ourselves? What are some simple tips that could help our listeners?
Well, a really good start is just to smile. A smile is a universal sign of friendliness. It shows you're open to talking.
I love that. It costs nothing and it makes people feel more comfortable and relaxed around you. It's a great first step.
Another tip I find helpful is to ask open questions.
That's a great point. Can you explain what an open question is?
Sure, an open question is one you can't answer with just yes or no. So instead of asking, "Did you have a good weekend?"
Which can be answered with yes, and then you get that awkward silence we talked about.
Right. Instead of that, you can ask, "What did you do over the weekend?"
That is so much better. It invites the other person to share more information. It gives them something to talk about.
Exactly. It opens a door for a real conversation to begin.
And my favorite tip is to listen, really, truly listen to their answer.
Listening is key. It's probably the most important skill in any conversation, big or small.
I agree 100%. If you listen, you can always find your next question. If they say, "I went to the park with my family," you can ask, "Oh, that sounds lovely. Which park did you go to?"
It shows you're actually interested in what they're saying, and people really like that. They like it when you listen.
And when it works, when you have that small, nice conversation, it feels really good.
It really does. It can honestly change your whole day.
Exactly. You don't want them to feel like you're not interested. I think I've sometimes stayed in a conversation for way too long because I just didn't know how to politely say, "Okay, I'm done talking now." No, definitely not. So having a few polite exit lines ready can be a lifesaver. Something like, "Well, it was so nice to meet you. I have to go now," works perfectly. You might be feeling a little bit lonely or just having a regular, boring day, and then you have a nice little chat with the barista at the coffee shop or a neighbor you meet on the street.
And suddenly you just feel connected.
Yes, that's the perfect word, connected. You feel like you are part of the world around you. It's such a small thing, but it has a big impact on how you feel.
It reminds us that we are all just people trying to get through the day. And a little kindness, a little chat can make it so much nicer for everyone.
So for everyone listening to us today, we want to say, please don't be afraid of small talk.
It can be hard, we know, but it is a skill. And just like any other skill, you get better with practice.
Your English does not have to be perfect. Your sentences do not have to be brilliant or amazing.
Just be friendly, be curious, and most of all, be kind to yourself if you make a mistake. Remember my bread story. We all do it.
That's absolutely right. Thank you so much for joining us for this conversation. We hope it was helpful for you. And now, before we go, it's time for some practice. This is our shadowing section. I will say a sentence and you can repeat it along with Dan.
That's right. Listen and repeat. We're ready when you are, Nikki.
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
Do you have any plans?
Do you have any plans?
I like your shirt.
I like your shirt.
This coffee is really good.
This coffee is really good.
It's a busy day today.
It's a busy day today.
It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Practice helps a lot.
Practice helps a lot.
Just start with hello.
Just start with hello.
You are doing a great job.
You are doing a great job.
Wonderful job, everyone. That's it for today. And remember, keep practicing so you can grow in your confidence.
Thank you, everyone. We look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Easy English Conversations. Goodbye for now.